how to wire a magnetic lock using one channel receiver. This is your negative wire. The blue wire is a negative one, the red wire is a common wire from negative pole to common line of your receiver. Then this one is your positive wire. Then let's take this tester as your magnetic lock. So you just put your positive wire here. I know it can be both ways, but you can just use this. Let's take this is your positive wire, then this is your negative line, the pin is your negative line. The magnetic lock only locks when it is energized, so meaning when you put it here, it's energized. For the energizer to release, you press your button and you release and close the door, the magnetic door. It closes and locks.